Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the request could not be performed because of an input output or an IO error, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. Now, in most of the cases, this issue could be with the hardware itself. So let us ignore that part and here's what we can do about it. First of all, you can update the drivers in Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Advanced Options in the right pane. Select Optional Updates. Expand the list of driver updates. If you find any driver update, check it. Click on Download and Install. And once this is installed, you can also click on Check for Updates here. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan on your computer. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the scan. The last solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.